Cardboard cube is cut along its edges by a cut following the line shown in the diagram. So here's a cube that I've made earlier, and I've purposely made all the sides light grey, and then I'm gonna highlight the cuts in blue. So a cut there, there, moving around, and then here. The cube is then opened out and placed flat on a table. Which of the following could be the resulting shape? So the answer talk about one way of doing this, which is kind of like a process of elimination option, by considering the fact that, for example, there are three cuts made on this top face. I'm going to let you look at that solution if you want. I think I've got quite a nice method for doing it that I actually prefer. So we're actually going to try and construct the net, and we're going to do so really carefully. Now, when I first did this question, I was trying to construct it by keeping like having this top one as sort of my first base, first square of my net. But I'm actually going to go with this one down here as my first one. So here it is. Because then I can see that it's bending round to this one on the right. I'm just going to carry it on along on the right. And then these two are parallel. It's going to carry on again to this top face. This just seems like a really good way to go. Because now that number two, remember, is on the right. I can see that one is actually also linking to another one that's going up. So that is the very back face. So let me call that 4. And if I flatten that down and then open out this one on the left, then I can see it's going to carry on this way. I can already eliminate quite a lot of the options using this method. And finally, again, like this line is parallel to this one. So all I'm left with is the very front face, number 6. It's going to carry on like this. So it's got to be A. That is the only option by opening out carefully, specifically starting with number 1, because it just makes life so much easier to visualize what's happening. Well done on this question.